Well, hello! I hope I didn't scare you. Sorry for that horrible accent. I've been watching Outlander. By the way, if you haven't watched Outlander, you have to watch it. Now, I know I look scary as hell. But, you know, these masks, they do help. I've been doing like masks regularly, not every day. Maybe like every 4 days. Yeah, give or take. This one is 100% pure deep hydration mask. It has like cucumber juice and aloe vera. Really good stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to come here and show you this mask. So yeah, talk to you later.
Sol vive sem amor, eu não vivo sem te ver. Quem chega na maré cheia é cantiga de bem-querer. Quem chega na maré cheia é cantiga de bem-querer. O sol vive sem amor, eu não vivo sem te ver. Quem chega na maré cheia é cantiga de bem-querer. Quem chega na maré cheia é cantiga de bem-querer. O bulgari dá o cheiro, o biribá dá o gosto. O clarão da lua cheia é pouco porque eu te gosto. O clarão da lua cheia é pouco porque eu te gosto.
Alright, let's have a taste. First, I'm going to try just the broth alone. Oh my goodness. Wow! You know what's really special about this broth is that it's infused with star anise, cloves, cinnamon. Just trying a bit of the noodles. And my marinated tofu. Yum, yum, yum. What do you think? Alright, so an update. It's going much better, and so I'm going to show you the breakouts that I had. They are fading away quite fast actually. So here I had a huge one, right? Now it's not even a bump anymore. I had a huge one here too, and I kind of got discouraged about a week ago. It's healing really, really fast. I actually realized what happened. I'm going to talk to you about that today. So of course, eating really healthy for like most of my meals helped tremendously. I can't deny that because I definitely had some digestion issues, as I mentioned. I also wanted to mention that when I healed in the past, it was, as I said, with acupuncture every week and changing my diet. It was really helpful for me to know what healed me the first time, because I knew that I was eating too many like warming foods, so very stimulating foods, you know, like cacao, anything with caffeine. Alcohol is in there too, but I don't really drink, so that's not a problem. Things like onion, garlic, spice, chili pepper. Yeah, even like certain fruits, like the really sweet ones, like tropical fruits, for example, pineapple, mango. Anyway, I don't want to go into too much detail because this will be too long. I just wanted to let you know that I had that already in my mind, you know, like I knew what was probably irritating me. Now the emotional part. I was having a bit of a low moment for a couple of weeks, feeling blue, feeling anxious. Again, it's kind of like personal, and also I realized I can't even really explain it. Like, you know how sometimes just out of the blue, you feel blue, you know? So I'm gonna make a video actually about how I got back up, because sometimes it feels impossible, right? Like the things that usually make you happy, you can't even do those. Like playing music, doing yoga for me, talking to friends and family. The emotional part, I think, definitely had a part, you know, in this, like the stress, the anxiety, and the whole blues feeling, you know. I ended up just talking about it with Gabriel, crying it out, and little by little just feeling better. It was not an overnight thing, but I'm feeling much better now. Okay, so The Ordinary. I talked about The Ordinary products at the end of my video last time. If you don't know what The Ordinary is, it's like this brand of skincare that's really inexpensive, like extremely affordable. But it's all like active ingredients, you know, like glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, B5, niacinamide, zinc. This one has a lot of different things. Peptides, there's a retinol one. So a lot of, you know, like active ingredients. I heard about it like on YouTube, honestly. I think someone mentioned the niacinamide and zinc, which is one of their best sellers because it really helps with acne scars, because it helps like regenerate your skin much faster. So I do have a lot of acne scars. Like I have a lot of, you can see here, right? I have like holes in my forehead, and you can definitely see, if in a certain lighting, a lot of indentations here. So I was like, I'm gonna try them out. Because when you order on Sephora, you can return them, you know, like even if when they're open and you've used them slightly. What happened is I had a purging reaction. Now I did not expect that to happen. How the skin is made, you know, like the whole epiderm and all of that, there's like layers. So if you have a breakout coming, it's already developing. So if your skin is planning on having a breakout soon, it's already in the deeper layers, you know? So if I'm using something that regenerates cells really fast, then all the breakouts are gonna come out at the same time. And yeah, so that's kind of what happened to me. Now I know that's what happened. Apparently I'm not the only one. I looked it up on YouTube, like Ordinary products, breakout, purging, and it's definitely a thing. So be prepared for that if you want to try active ingredients in your skincare. So I'm actually really happy now because that I went through it, you know, although it was a month that was really hard for me to go through with all the acne coming out. But I'm really glad that I just was patient with it, because my skin is looking better and better. Like apart from the breakouts, of course, which are healing fast, as I said, I feel like the quality of my skin is better since I've been using these products. I'm gonna show them to you later. So yeah, I feel like it's glowing more. I feel like it looks healthier, and the pores are like smaller. I never thought I would understand what it means to have smaller pores, but now I think I know. Like your face just looks so like there's an expression in Arabic, it's like your face looks like a mirror because it's so like smooth and glowing, you know. Okay, so let me show you the things that I use. I actually wrote to The Ordinary to help me build this routine and know exactly what order, AM or PM and all of that. In the AM, in the morning, I do this every morning. So I just splash my face with water to make sure it's clean. And then I spray my face with the chamomile water that I showed you in my quarantine favorites. Then, while my face is wet, I use this hyaluronic acid plus B5. The bottle is has a defect. I'm gonna have to exchange it when Sephora reopens. And then I go in with the Ordinary Buffet Peptide Serum. And finally the Niacinamide plus Zinc. So those are like the 3 serums that I use in the morning. I know it looks like a lot, but it takes me like a minute, not even 30 seconds. I was also advised to use the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA. This is just a plain moisturizer. I have been using it after the serums. I mix it with my sunscreen. Now, in the PM, 3 times a week, I use the Glycolic acid toner. I've heard of people like having a really strong burning sensation when using this. I didn't have it. Like I felt a slight tingling. So the glycolic acid is really good. And then I use this again. So usually I put it on every night and then also in the morning with my sunscreen. As I said, I stuck with it, but I think those are what caused me the breakouts in the first place. But in the end, I feel like I have more like glowing skin, and I think that it will help tremendously with my acne scars. I think that my skin looks healthier. The reason why I got interested in these products, because I'm usually like really into, you know, the Living Libations, 100% pure, all of those kind of more like green brands. The thing is, when they have essential oils in them, in the long run, it can be really bad for your skin. Like maybe you won't see it immediately, but when you're like 20 years in or something, you will see that it has damaged your skin much more than you can imagine. Anything that says fragrance, even when it says natural, anything that has essential oils, I kind of have been trying to stay away from them. You know, I do the hot oil cleanse with the Living Libations oil, and I know that it has essential oils. But I think that the concentration is very low, and also I cleanse it off, so it's debatable. I mean, it's debatable, but all of my products used to be like filled with essential oils, so I think also I have been cringing at myself because I used to put essential oils directly on my skin. Oh my god, like peppermint oil directly on a breakout, and actually it did help. But I think like if you do this like all the time for several years, it will be very detrimental to you. You're not supposed to do that. It just burns your skin. It really does burn your skin. It makes you ultra sensitive to the sun. It's just not a good idea. So the no fragrance, no fuss approach of The Ordinary is what I liked. I'm usually someone who really loves the idea of like nice smelling products, so the fact that these smell like literally nothing, it's kind of like less exciting, but the results that I'm seeing with time is what's exciting, you know? I think I'll do a final update, but maybe like in a month, to show you that after 2 months what The Ordinary products have done to my face. Alright, that is pretty much it, my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad that you liked my previous video, the episode 1 of the Healing Acne Journey. I didn't expect that, you know, I thought it was just a really casual video, but I feel like maybe a lot of you relate. Alright, now my throat is getting really dry. I'm going to have a drink of water. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, join the Holistic Maya family. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and I always reply to all the comments. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!